In the fertile valleys of California, a unique crop of giant garlic is ready for harvest.
These colossal bulbs, weighing up to 10 pounds each, require heavy machinery to lift.
Field workers trim the thick stalks before transport. Due to their size, special crates are used for transport. Trucks loaded with tons of giant garlic head to the processing plant. The convoy moves quickly to ensure freshness. Arriving at the mega factory, the scale of operation is immense. Thousands of giant bulbs tumble onto the factory floor. Heavy-duty conveyors transport the massive bulbs to the cleaning station. Quality control ensures only the biggest and best bulbs make the cut.
First, the loose soil and outer skin are brushed off.
The breaker machine gently separates the bulb into individual cloves.
Each individual clove is as big as a regular apple.
Powerful fans blow away the lightweight papery skins.
The cloves are sorted by size to ensure uniform peeling.
Only the largest cloves are selected for premium packing.
Now separated, the giant cloves are ready for peeling. The peeling room is kept sterile and clean.
The cloves are loaded into a high-pressure air chamber.
Compressed air blasts the skins off instantly, revealing the white flesh.
Manual inspection removes any cloves with blemishes.
A final wash ensures the garlic is spotless and clean. The wet cloves look like polished white stones.
Dry and clean, they head to the processing station. For paste, the cloves are chopped into fine pieces. The grinder turns the chunks into a smooth, creamy paste. The aroma of fresh garlic fills the air. Oil and salt are added to preserve freshness and flavor.
The finished paste is pumped to the filling station.
Lab tests ensure the perfect creamy texture. Okay.
Sterile jars are ready to be filled.
Automated fillers dispense the exact amount of paste. On the other line, whole giant cloves are packed. Brine is added to keep the whole cloves fresh. Lids are sealed tight to lock in the aroma. A foil seal ensures the product is tamper-proof. Each jar is stamped with a production date. Robotic arms pack the jars into shipping cartons.
The boxes are sealed and labeled for shipping.
Palletizers stack the heavy boxes with precision. Stretch wrap secures the load for transport. Pallets are moved to the warehouse for distribution. Thousands of jars are stored here, ready for the world. Trucks are loaded to deliver to supermarkets.
Delivering flavor to kitchens across the country.
Finally, ready for you to enjoy.
Fresh, potent, and delicious.
From giant bulbs to this delicious jar, the scale is incredible. We have the freshest giant garlic available. If you loved this giant factory tour, smash like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. That concludes our overview. Thank you for choosing Rising Story USA.